Marko, do you want some chili? Dixie chili? No, I bet you half of you guys, actually almost all of you guys, don't have no idea what Dixie chili is. Anyway, it's really good. It's only in the northern part of Kentucky. There you go. Hey, look at his sweater. Can I see your sweater? Let's show you. Let's show the world your sweater. It says spoiled. You are a spoiled little doggy. If I eat that, I'll make my pants a work of art. Which I already did. See, look, there's paint all over it. And there's me when I was a baby. Look at him. By the way, kids, that's me when I was a year old or so. Hi, Papa. Hey, I don't care. Look at him. Clean my dishes, Marko.
No.
You done? Not you. I'm talking to the dog.
You know that Tasha picked up on the kid's bed last night.
Oh no. Marko, you done? Are you done?
Yes, it's done.
Let's go.